That tin of chopped tomatoes in your cupboard contains more water than tomatoes. Some brands are 70% liquid, others contain citric acid that's destroying the flavor, and a few have been caught adding tomato paste to bulk out underripe tomatoes while still calling them whole plum tomatoes. British families buy over 400 million tins of tomatoes every year. They're the foundation of pasta sauces, curries, stews, everything. We trust them because they're simple. Tomatoes in a tin. What could go wrong? But the quality has collapsed. What used to be rich, sweet Italian tomatoes has become watery, acidic disappointment. Today we're exposing 8 tinned tomato brands sold in UK supermarkets that aren't worth your money and revealing the only 2 that still deliver proper tomatoes. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 8, we have Tesco Everyday Value Chopped Tomatoes. At 28p per tin, they're the cheapest option on the supermarket shelf. And you're getting exactly what you pay for, which is mostly water with some tomato flavoring. Open a tin and the first thing you'll notice is how thin the liquid is. It's not tomato juice. It's water with some tomato puree mixed in. The actual tomato pieces are small, pale and sparse. You're getting maybe 40% actual tomato content. The rest is water and citric acid. Then there's the taste, or rather the lack of it. These tomatoes have no sweetness, no depth, no richness. They taste overwhelmingly of one thing, acid. That's because cheap tinned tomatoes use citric acid to compensate for underripe tomatoes. Real, properly ripened tomatoes have natural acidity and sweetness. Underripe tomatoes are bland and hard, so manufacturers add citric acid to create the illusion of tomato flavor. But what you get is harsh, one-dimensional sourness with no complexity. One home cook said it perfectly, used these for pasta sauce, and had to add 3 tablespoons of sugar to make it edible. That's not cooking. That's trying to fix a fundamentally broken product. For 28p, you could buy fresh tomatoes on offer and they'd taste infinitely better. This isn't value. This is expensive water with tomato coloring. At number 7, we have Asda chopped tomatoes, another supermarket own brand with the same fundamental problems as Tesco's offering, but with an additional issue that pushes it higher on this list. Asda tomatoes have an odd metallic aftertaste that multiple customers report. That metallic taste likely comes from the tin lining reacting with the acidic tomatoes or from the citric acid itself. Either way, it's unpleasant, and it ruins whatever you're cooking. Then there's the consistency issue. Some tins are acceptable, with decent tomato content and reasonable flavor. Others are watery disasters with barely any tomato pieces. That inconsistency suggests Asda is sourcing from multiple suppliers with varying quality standards and just putting their label on whatever arrives. You're playing Russian roulette with your pasta sauce. But what really puts Asda at number 7 is the tomato origin issue. The label says packed in Italy, which sounds reassuring until you realize that doesn't mean grown in Italy. These tomatoes could be from anywhere, shipped to Italy for processing, and then labeled as Italian. You have no idea where they actually came from or what standards were used in growing them. One customer said, "Bought these thinking Italian meant quality. Tasted like tin and regret." That's the Asda problem. Vague labeling hiding questionable sourcing and inconsistent quality. Number 6, Sainsbury's chopped tomatoes. Moving up from budget ranges to standard supermarket offerings, and the problems persist. Sainsbury's tomatoes are noticeably watery, with a thin, pale liquid that suggests heavy dilution. The tomato pieces are small and mushy, breaking down into paste the moment you start cooking. That's a sign of overripe or damaged tomatoes being used. Proper tinned tomatoes should hold their shape during cooking, breaking down gradually to create a rich sauce. Sainsbury's tomatoes turn to mush immediately, creating a thin, watery sauce that lacks body. Then there's the flavor issue. These tomatoes taste overwhelmingly acidic with no sweetness or depth. You're getting harsh, one-dimensional sourness that dominates whatever you're cooking. Multiple home cooks report having to add significant amounts of sugar to balance the acidity. But what puts Sainsbury's at number 6 is the value proposition that isn't actually valuable. At 45 pence per tin, they're positioned as mid-range quality, but the actual product is barely better than the 28 pence budget options. You're paying 60% more for essentially the same watery, acidic tomatoes. One person said, "Switch to these from Tesco thinking I'd get better quality. Couldn't tell the difference." That's the Sainsbury's betrayal. Mid-range pricing for budget quality. At number 5, we have Napolina chopped tomatoes. This one's going to upset people because Napolina has positioned itself as the authentic Italian option. The branding is covered in Italian flags and imagery. The marketing emphasizes Italian heritage and quality. Surely Napolina is better than supermarket brands. Not really. Napolina tomatoes are grown in Italy, which is better than vague sourcing, but the quality is still disappointing. The tomatoes are watery, with thin liquid that suggests they've been heavily diluted or packed with underripe tomatoes that release water rather than rich juice. The flavor is acidic and harsh, lacking the sweetness and depth you'd expect from Italian tomatoes. Then there's the price issue. Napolina costs around £1 per tin, which is more than double what you'd pay for supermarket brands. You're paying a premium for Italian branding, but the actual quality doesn't justify the cost. But what puts Napolina at number 5 is the betrayal of the Italian promise. This brand has convinced British families that they're getting authentic Italian quality. But blind taste tests show that most people can't distinguish Napolina from cheaper supermarket brands. You're paying for a flag on the label, not for genuinely better tomatoes. One Italian cook said, "These taste nothing like the tomatoes we use in Italy. They're bland and watery." That's damning from someone who actually knows what Italian tomatoes should taste like. Number 4. Cirio chopped tomatoes. Another Italian brand that's been in UK supermarkets for decades. Cirio has heritage, recognition, and premium positioning. The tins are distinctive, the branding emphasizes quality, and the price point suggests you're getting something special. But here's the reality. Cirio tomatoes are inconsistent. Some tins are decent, with reasonable tomato content and acceptable flavor. Others are watery disasters that taste more of tin than tomato. That inconsistency is unacceptable for a premium brand. Then there's the citric acid issue. Cirio adds citric acid to their tomatoes, which immediately tells you they're using underripe fruit that needs acid added to create flavor. Proper Italian tomatoes, ripened in Mediterranean sun, don't need citric acid. They have natural acidity and sweetness. But what really puts Cirio at number 4 is the price versus quality gap. At £1.20 per tin, you're paying premium prices for a product that's barely better than supermarket brands. Multiple customers report that Cirio used to be excellent but has declined significantly in recent years. One person said, "My mum used Cirio her whole life. I compared it to what she used 20 years ago, and it's completely different." That's the Cirio story. A brand trading on heritage while quietly degrading quality. At number 3, we have Tesco Finest Italian Chopped Tomatoes, the supermarket premium range that promises superior quality and authentic Italian flavor. The label shows sun-ripened tomatoes and uses language like carefully selected and rich flavor. At 85 pence per tin, you're paying 3 times more than Tesco's budget range. Surely you're getting something genuinely better. Not really. Tesco Finest tomatoes are grown in Italy, which is an improvement over the budget range. But the actual quality is disappointing. The tomatoes are still watery, still acidic, and still lack the richness and sweetness you'd expect from premium Italian tomatoes. The ingredient list reveals the problem. These tomatoes contain citric acid, just like the budget range. You're paying premium prices for tomatoes that still need acid added because they weren't ripe enough when picked. Then there's the tomato content issue. Open a tin and you'll find it's maybe 60% tomatoes, 40% liquid. That's better than budget brands, but not good enough to justify triple the price. But what puts Tesco Finest at number 3 is the deliberate deception. This range is designed to make you think you're getting genuinely premium quality. The packaging is elegant, the marketing is sophisticated, and the price suggests superior ingredients. But the actual product is only marginally better than standard ranges. One customer said, "Paid extra for Finest thinking I'd taste the difference. Couldn't tell it apart from regular Tesco." That's not just poor value. That's exploitation of customers trying to buy better quality. If you're finding this investigation valuable and questioning which tinned tomatoes you should actually be buying, hit that like button and subscribe to UK Food Exposed. We're exposing what's really in British food so you can make informed choices. Now, let's get into the top 2 worst offenders. Number 2, Prince's Chopped Tomatoes, a British brand that's been on supermarket shelves for decades. Prince's has name recognition, widespread availability, and mid-range pricing at around 60 pence per tin. But here's what you're actually getting. Prince's tomatoes are among the wateriest we've tested. Open a tin, and you'll find thin, pale liquid with small, mushy tomato pieces floating in it. The ratio is maybe 50% tomatoes, 50% water. You're paying for tomato-flavored water. Then there's the flavor, which is aggressively acidic with a harsh chemical tang. These tomatoes taste like they've been heavily treated with citric acid to compensate for poor quality fruit. There's no sweetness, no depth, no richness, just harsh sourness that dominates whatever you're cooking. But what puts Prince's at number 2 is the origin issue. The label says packed in Italy, but provides no information about where the tomatoes were actually grown. That vagueness is deliberate. When brands are proud of their sourcing, they tell you. When they're hiding something, they use phrases like packed in to create the illusion of Italian quality while potentially using tomatoes from anywhere. Multiple customers report that Prince's tomatoes have declined dramatically in quality over recent years. One person said, "These used to be decent. Now they're watery rubbish." Another said, "The tin had more liquid than tomatoes. Had to drain half of it." That's the Prince's problem. A recognized brand that's degraded quality while maintaining pricing and hoping customers won't notice. And here we are. Number 1. The absolute worst tinned tomatoes you can buy in UK supermarkets. It's generic, unbranded chopped tomatoes from pound shops and discount stores. These products have no brand name, minimal labeling, and cost as little as 20 pence per tin. They seem like incredible value, especially when branded tomatoes cost 3 to 5 times as much. But here's the terrifying truth. These tomatoes are the absolute bottom of the barrel. The tomatoes are the cheapest available, often damaged, underripe, or rejected by other buyers. The liquid content is often 70% or more. You're buying a tin that's mostly water with some tomato pieces floating in it. Then there's the flavor, which is barely there. These tomatoes taste of nothing except harsh acidity. There's no tomato sweetness, no richness, no depth, just sour water with tomato-colored pieces. But what makes this number 1 is the complete lack of transparency. You have no idea where these tomatoes came from, how they were grown, what pesticides were used, or what standards were followed. The labeling is deliberately vague, often just saying tomatoes and citric acid with no origin information. You're buying a complete mystery product and hoping it's safe. One home cook said, "Used these for bolognese and it tasted like I'd added vinegar." Another said, "The sauce was so watery I had to cook it for an hour to reduce it." That's not cooking. That's trying to salvage an unsalvageable product. Pound shop tomatoes are cheap for a reason, and that reason should concern every family buying them. So there you have it. 8 tinned tomato brands that are failing British families by delivering watery, acidic disappointment. From Tesco's budget disaster to pound shop mysteries, these products represent a systematic failure to provide honest, quality tomatoes. But here's what you should actually buy. At number 2 on the worth it list is Mutti chopped tomatoes, an Italian brand that costs around £1.40 per tin, which is expensive. But the quality justifies it. Mutti tomatoes are grown in Italy, picked at peak ripeness, and contain no citric acid. The tomatoes are sweet, rich, and full of flavor. The liquid is thick tomato juice, not water. You're getting 70% tomatoes, 30% juice. This is what tinned tomatoes should be. Multiple chefs recommend Mutti as the only supermarket brand worth buying. And number 1, the absolute best tinned tomatoes you can buy is Ciao Organic Whole Plum tomatoes. At £1.80 per tin, they're the most expensive option. But these are genuinely premium tomatoes. Organic Italian plum tomatoes, picked at perfect ripeness with no citric acid added. The tomatoes are whole, firm, and sweet. The juice is rich and flavorful. You can taste the difference immediately. These tomatoes transform whatever you're cooking. One Italian grandmother said, "These are the only tinned tomatoes in Britain that taste like home." That's the highest praise possible. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The tinned tomato market has become a race to the bottom where brands are selling water with tomato flavoring while charging for actual tomatoes. You're paying for tins that are 70% liquid, tomatoes that need citric acid added because they weren't ripe, and products with no transparency about sourcing or quality. Every time you buy these brands, you're telling these companies this is acceptable, that you'll pay for watery, acidic tomatoes, that you won't demand better. But when you buy Mutti or Ciao, or when you use fresh tomatoes instead, you're voting with your wallet. You're saying quality matters. The British public deserves honest tinned tomatoes. Tomatoes that are actually ripe, properly sourced, and honestly labelled. So check your cupboard tonight. If you've got any of these 8 brands, particularly pound shop tomatoes, use them up but don't buy them again. Next time you need tinned tomatoes, buy Mutti or Ciao. Yes, they cost more, but you'll use less because they're concentrated and flavorful. Your cooking will taste better, and you'll stop wasting money on tins of acidic water. If you found this investigation helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to UK Food Exposed. We're holding food brands accountable so British families can make informed choices. Thanks for watching, and remember, demand real tomatoes, not watery imitations.